So let's talk about how you can insert a silent ringtone on your Android. Let's get started. So of course, if you want to silence your entire phone, you can just go ahead and swipe down to access the control center and switch between these modes right here. But of course, if you want to specifically have a silent ringtone, you can still do that. I would recommend you to get an app for ringtones as well as wallpapers, which I like to use, and it's called a Zedge. It's free to download, like there is a paid version, but you don't really need it that much. So just click on and download the app like this. Then switch over to the ringtone section, and there you can search for whichever thing you want. So you can just type in the silent ringtone, then it gives you the ability to filter through like different categories. So just pick the ringtones again, and you have so many different like silent ringtones to pick. So just click the one which you like, which is probably going to be the first one, and you can download it to your phone. So you can set it directly as a ringtone or as the alarm sound or somewhere else. If you would like to use it for some kind of different purpose, then just tap on a save to media folder, and it's going to be part of your files app. So you'll be able to find it as a MP3 or some kind of different audio format, right? But you can click on set a ringtone. Then you will likely need to give the Zedge application like the ability to change system settings. But when you do give it access, it is going to let you pick and change the ringtone directly from the Zedge application. So you'll be able to just insert the silent ringtone directly there. So it's really that simple. It's pretty useful, right? So that's how it works. Go ahead and let me know below in the comments if you managed to do it. If you have some questions, leave them there as well. Subscribe for more, and I'll catch you soon in the next tutorial.